Old school Kawasaki fans, take a look at the seats. We are back in the garage of the living legend, Mr. Jim Hammers. Jim, we wanted to check in with you here. First off, everybody loved your garage tour. Anybody buying anything? Any updates here?
They ain't got no money.
So we still have some stuff available.
Oh, yeah.
Great. Excellent. And right now, I had to fire up the camera because you're giving me a lesson. Look, tell me about these seats. What do we got here? Stock 76?
I'm trying to figure out which is which.
Well, that one's a stock one, right?
See, the pattern's different. This could be, this one here I think is a 3, 4, and 5.
Wow.
3, 4, and 5. This one here, 3, 4, and 5. This is a 6, because the pattern, see the pattern difference?
Sure.
This one, I gotta get my buddy Shoe over here.
Amazing condition.
He knows all about this stuff.
And then, of course, the LTD seats are much different. Which one do you like better?
I like this one.
You like the LTD seats?
Yeah, because you didn't slide around.
And this one you have reupholstered, you said, right?
Yeah, guy up here in Thomasville.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Years ago. Years ago.
And we were very excited to show Jim our 77 KZ fresh out of storage.
Well, Jim, I'm really happy I was able to bring my bike to your cow pasture. How are we doing here? What's your impression? Where do I need to go? What do you think?
I keep it the way it is. It's your bike. You like it. Don't want everybody to have the same thing.
It's true. It's a little different. It's
Yeah,
a hot rod.
Yeah, it's a hot rod. Yeah, it's a hot rod. It's got all the makings of a nice cruiser. Gets a little attention.
What do you think about those wheels? What type of wheels do you like? And
I like Lester's.
you like Lester's? Okay.
I like mag wheels over spoke wheels because they don't flex.
And we're working out a few bugs. I know you're the man with the parts, and I knew exactly who would have the correct front master cylinder.
Me?
How'd I know that, right? So that was the thing. This is something that I did when I was younger.
Yeah.
I thought I was doing the right thing, like putting better brakes on an old hot rod car. But we do know this. Sticks out like a sore thumb.
Yeah.
You think those old ones are just as reliable?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
They need rebuilt at all?
No. I just did it for my one bike. Now I'm putting dual disc brakes on.
Very cool.
Yeah, very cool.
Now give people an update, just in case they didn't see this a couple weeks ago when we did this. You've got everything for sale, right?
Well, yeah, more or less.
More or less, and we do still have. I know we've got some tire kickers, shall we say? A lot of people have asked about the bikes, but they're still here, right?
They're still there.
Very cool. And if somebody wants to get a hold of you, what's the best way again to get a hold of you?
Call me by phone.
And that is
717-891-6636. That's my cell.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Let's give you a look at the inventory here one more time. Somebody's got to take this. Look at this gorgeous machine. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Oh, and he's got another creation up on the lift. Something always going on at this shop. Hey guys, if you need anything KZ, Z1, make sure you get a hold of Jim. He has it. He's got complete bikes for sale that you want to check out. And also check out our full-length shop tour. I'll link that in the description.
Thank you everybody for subscribing to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments, and thank you for also liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Share it with your friends. If you keep it growing, we're gonna keep bringing you awesome stuff like this. Thanks a lot.
Much more coming, guys. Thanks a lot for subscribing to Cycle Drag on YouTube, liking CycleDrag.com on Facebook. You know, if there's any good deals on vintage bikes, we're in. Cycle Drag rolls on.